Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and in today's video I'm going to show you around a very nice 2021 SEAT Arona SE technology finished in mystery blue metallic with the black contrast roof. Now this vehicle has only covered 23,600 miles and is arguably finished in one of the most popular colours. There's an awful lot of white cars out there, there's an awful lot of the dark grey cars out there, especially around this sort of year. But the mystery blue has always been, I think, one of our favourites. It really suits the colour, I think, really suits the car. Now this particular car has only done 23,000 miles, so it's another gem that we've managed to uncover and has been fantastically well serviced. Now we're going to do a short little video just to show you a little bit more around the car. Now the Arona has become our best-selling model. It's overtaken the Ibiza that was always a long-standing staple in our range, and the Arona and the Ibiza share a lot of the underpinnings, a lot of the underneath, but the Arona's trump card is that it's just a little bit higher off the ground, so it does make getting in and getting out just that little bit easier. And if you also carry little people, it does make getting them in and out, certainly of the back, an awful lot easier as well. You've got plenty of space and you've got Isofix fitments in the back. Now this one also has, being the SE technology, these lovely alloy wheels. You have rear parking sensors as well as a park display unit, and the boot is where it really works well. Now when you open the boot in itself is a big sized boot, but what you can do as well, if you would like to, is adjust the boot floor. So at the moment, you can hopefully tell from this video, there's a small lip, so it makes the boot a bit deeper if you're carrying cases and things, whereas if I drop down, now I've made it virtually flat. So if you've got a four-legged friend that likes to get in and out of the boot, they seem to prefer the boot floor in its slightly higher position. Now this one, like I say, has only covered 23,000 miles. It's been serviced 4 times every 12 months with the in the SEAT network. And then I'm going to jump in and just show you a little bit more around the media system. Seats are unmarked. It's in really, really nice condition, this vehicle. Now, when you jump in, you're greeted with the standard setup of the Arona SE Tech. That also comes with cruise control and a speed limiter, as well as this multi-function steering wheel and automatic headlights as well. Now, as we move across to the media system, it's a nice big clear touchscreen display. Doesn't stick up higher than the dash, which I know a lot of people don't like with all these larger systems. The usual FM and DAB radio stations, and you can preset your favourites in there. You also have Bluetooth hands-free for telephone calls and if you want to stream music as well. And then you also benefit from a built-in satellite navigation system. Different displays depending on what your preference is, and then you also have numerous driving assistance systems now as well, the pre-collision sensor as well as a driver alert system. So if it thinks you've been driving for a bit too long and it wants you to take a break, it will come up and just give you a bit of a gentle nudge. Now this one's also compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and you plug that in through the USB-Cs, which are just hidden down there. Now the SE technology model comes with a wireless phone charger, which is a really good thing. A lot of cars don't come with that now, but this model, it's a standard feature. You have rear parking sensors as well as a parking pilot, so you've got a display on the dashboard as well. And in the event of an emergency, you have an SOS button that would alert assistance for you. Now this vehicle would leave us freshly serviced and freshly MOT'd, and the cars come with a 12-month RAC warranty. So if you're looking for a great value Arona with very low mileage, you might have found one. If we can help, please get in touch. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.